kill the batteries off my car.
So all those guys who wouldn't help. So we're here in Hillcrest, and we're stuck. And we're waiting for Albie.
And it's hot. It's motherfucking hot.
And we spent 9 minutes.
And pennies don't help.
Oh yeah,
Pennies don't help.
They don't help the meter maid at all.
I just changed the battery to my car this morning. $93 motherfucking dollars. Bitches.
So we're kind of angsty.
I just want my dessert, you guys.
Extraordinary desserts. That's gonna be our
Now we're gonna
award.
have to hang out with Albie.
Oh, Albie's coming to the rescue. Not you.
Hopefully he doesn't see this because I just say it like a bad thing. But it was supposed to be a girl's day. Just to say.
Okay, go ahead.
Paramedic!
Stop the